Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about a huge mistake that if you make this mistake, you will get community guideline strike in your YouTube channel. So of course you need to know about this huge mistake because normally the new YouTubers do this mistake and ultimately they get the community guideline strike. So today I'm going to talk about what is the huge mistake which can give us the community guideline strike in our YouTube channel. The mistake is if you make any video related to how to download YouTube video, and if you show in your video the downloading process of YouTube video, this is completely against the community guidelines or YouTube policy. So if you make this kind of video, the YouTube will give you the community guideline strike today or tomorrow. I personally faced this problem. So when I launched my YouTube channel for the first time, that time I did not know about the YouTube policy and YouTube community guidelines. That time I made some videos relating to downloading a YouTube video, and then I got consecutively 2 community guideline strikes, and that time I was really disappointed. That's why I decided to tell you about this mistake so that you can become very careful about this mistake. So you will never make any video relating to downloading process of YouTube video because it is completely against the YouTube community guidelines and YouTube policy. So if you make this kind of video today or tomorrow, you will get community guideline strike. And this community guideline strike is very serious because if you get 3 consecutive community guideline strike in your channel within 90 days, your YouTube channel will be terminated forever and you will never get it back. So this is very severe mistake. So never make any video relating to downloading YouTube video. This is completely against YouTube policy and YouTube rules and regulations. So if you make this kind of video, so of course you will get community guideline strike today or tomorrow. Many people will say that there are a lot of video based on it, but one day you can see this video is no more in YouTube. So be very careful of this mistake. I hope from today you will never do this mistake. So if you have already made this kind of video, please delete kind of video because today or tomorrow you will get community guideline strike. So dear viewers, I hope you understood the huge mistake and I hope you will never do it.